Welcome to our channel. Today, we have a very special treat for you. A first look at the Wuling Mini EV Cabrio, a tiny and adorable electric car that will make you smile. The Wuling Mini EV Cabrio is based on the Hongguang Mini EV, which is the top-selling electric vehicle model in China. It sold over 440,000 units last year, almost beating the Tesla Model 3. The Hongguang Mini EV is a joint venture between SAIC, GM, and Wuling, and it offers a very affordable and practical way of getting around in crowded cities. But what if you want to enjoy the fresh air and the sunshine while driving your electric car? Well, that's where the Cabrio version comes in. This cute concept car was unveiled at the Shanghai Auto Show earlier this year, and it will go into production in China in 2022. It will also be offered in Europe as the FreZe Froggy, which is a fun name for a fun car. The Cabrio version differs from the standard Mini EV by having a folding soft top instead of a solid roof. It also has a two-tone color scheme, with an island blue body and a sunset red top. The interior has a wraparound design, with a fresh gray and white color scheme. The display screen has been doubled in size to 10 inches, and it has Bluetooth connectivity and 3 USB ports. The Cabrio version seats only 2 people, and it has a very strange cargo compartment that cannot be accessed from the outside of the car. You have to fold down the rear seats and reach inside to get your stuff. That's not very practical, but hey, this car is not about practicality. It's about having fun. The Cabrio version has an updated electric powertrain with a 30 kilowatts or 40 horsepower motor and a 26 kilowatt-hours lithium iron phosphate battery pack. It can reach a top speed of 100 kilometers per hour or 62 miles per hour, and it can travel up to 300 kilometers or 186 miles on a single charge. That's not bad for such a small car. But the best part is the price. The Cabrio version is expected to cost around $14,000 in China, which makes it the cheapest electric convertible in the world. For comparison, the most affordable convertible in the US is the Mazda MX-5 Miata, which starts at almost $30,000. Of course, you can't compare these two cars in terms of performance or quality, but you can compare them in terms of fun. So, what do you think of the Wuling Mini EV Cabrio? Would you buy one if it was available in your country? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more electric vehicle videos. Thanks for watching.